Look at that. Am I really gonna have to do this whole eye over? Ay. I'll be back. Hello, you wonderful individuals. Welcome to Blkbored Bs. I am Ant. Today we're going to try heavy emphasis on the word try. We're going to try to attempt a pink smoky eye. Hopefully with the help of this wonderful collection, I Love Revolution. Okay, so if you don't know me, you probably don't, but if you don't know me, I'm a bit of a nerd. I can't hide it. I am. I love my anime. I love my Marvel. I love my DC. Marvel a little bit more than DC, but it is what it is. And I have a real soft spot for Batman. So when I saw that I Love Revolution has a Batman collection, I said, take all my money. Here's my coin. Take it. This is what you get in this collection. I mean, I got damn near everything. I don't remember if I got everything, but I'm pretty sure I got too damn much. So I ended up getting this palette here. It's dirty because I dropped my powder on it. And it's got a mirror, of course, and all these beautiful ass colors in here. You get a lot of shimmers and some mattes going on in here. And if that wasn't enough, I noticed they had a Joker, a Harley Quinn, and a Catwoman added on there. And you've got like, it's the squad. It's just the squad. So they have all these little mini palettes as well. You got your Catwoman right here. Sorry, I didn't take the plastic off of them. I didn't mean to blind you. But it's got these colors in here for Catwoman. I love so much when they put the little stamps in the eyeshadow palettes. I think that's so cute. I don't know why. It just sends me over the moon. Then you got your Batman mini palette. This one I opened because I was trying this eyeshadow look. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The Harley Quinn one. Blinding you again. You get all these pretty colors. This is the palette that we're going to be mainly working out of for the pink smoky eye. And then we have this Joker one. And look at this. Look at it. How could you not want to drop coin on it? I don't understand. These are all the fun little colors you get in this palette. We're going to be dipping in this one too. So to create this pink smoky eye look, we're going to be using these three palettes here. The Batman, the Joker, and the Harley Quinn. These are the three that we're going to use. Another thing that you get with this collection from I Love Revolution is you get your highlighter palettes, a Batman, and a Catwoman. These cool little shades right here for highlighters. I'm trying to get it so you can see the Batman man better. The Batman one better. Jeez, speak, Ant. And then you also get lip glosses or lipsticks. This is the Joker one. This is the Batman. And then I have a Harley Quinn one. It's like this color, but my daughter decided to use it as a toy. So I don't know where that one is. We'll find it though, because I think I need to use it. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the collection, right? First time opening this friggin' palette and my nails right against it. Ruined something already. Anyways, so we got the eyes prepped, eyebrows done. Let's just get into it, all right? Trying to find a very fluffy brush to use. I'll use this one. Am I though? You do this every time, just use it. We're gonna go in with this pink right here, and we're gonna, like we always do with smokies, I'm not talking about the little wieners, start from the crease, work our way up. Ooh, look at how bright that is. Look at that. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, so the one problem, it's not really a problem. I don't even know why I'm bringing it up. I know why I'm bringing it up. I don't know, why do I lie to myself? Hold on, Luna. We'll get you a carrot in a minute. You were so loud for no reason. Chill out. Amula's cranky. If you hear her in the background, I do apologize because there's not much I can do about that. But okay, so everyone, here's the thing that kind of annoys me with this whole Harley Quinn and Joker thing, right? People romanticize them. People see them as goals. They are not meant to be goals. People take the Harley Quinn and the Joker relationship as actual goals. And people who sit there and they go, oh, well, you know, she's his ride or die. She'll do anything for him. She loved him so much. it's a dead giveaway. Even I know they're not a relationship to glamorize or to wish you had or see as goals or anything like that, because he treated her like pure garbage. Garbage. He was abusive in every sense of the word. Physically, mentally, and emotionally. He didn't care about that girl. He didn't care about life. He just saw her as another pawn to use in whatever scheme he could think of, create, and most of the time it was Harley coming up with the plans anyways, so he just used her. And if you see that as goals, then honey, you got more, just do better. Do better. Now we're gonna dig into this brighter pink. We're gonna put this into our creases, drag it down, and almost cover the lid, but not completely. Don't rush me. I have a whole mirror in this palette, and I'm looking at the mirror behind me. I want to use this brush right here that I have in my hands to kind of just place it, and then I'll go in with a fluffier brush to try and like span it out, you know what I mean? So something like this now. Start it out with this, spread it out with this, buff it out. Time to go to the gym. Circles to help spread it out a little bit. It's okay to drag it to the corners too. Kind of getting nervous. So I finally found a farrier where I live. I don't want to say that my mules are rescues, but I guess they kind of are, because the guy we got them from couldn't take care of them anymore, didn't want to take care of them anymore. I don't really necessarily remember, but farrier he was using decided to retire, so I had to go online meaning Facebook, and try and find them a farrier that was still in the area that could help them out, because I thought I needed a pedicure. No ma'am, these ladies are in dire need of some foot care. Ooh, I like this so far. It's coming out really pretty, I think. Okay, so now we're gonna put little Miss Harley away. We're gonna put her to the side, and we're gonna dip into our Batman palette now. Bam! Clean this little brush off. This thing is gonna godsend. I love it. So in this Batman palette, we're gonna go in with obviously this black right here, and we're gonna put that on the lid. Oh! Oh! Okay. God, you gotta be careful with this black. Look what it did to my upper lid up here. What the fuck, bruh? What the fuck? And rub that out, because look at that. It's so disrespectful. My eyes twitching. This makes me very sad. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. Take this as a sign to be very careful with this black, because apparently it's just gonna stain or ruin it if you're not careful. Take your time with this black eyeshadow, because it'll quickly ruin everything. I feel like everybody already knows the backstory of Batman, right? If not, then I don't mind telling you. But the backstory of Batman is that he's this billionaire whose parents were tragically taken away from him when he was just a wee little lad. And because that happened to him, he decided that he was going to be a superhero. I'm really dumbing it down, but that's pretty much what happened. Another thing, oop, don't do that. Almost ruined it again with the black. Almost ruined it again. Another thing that I found really fascinating, I don't know if the movies aren't completely accurate when it comes to the comics. Like, you got these diehards who will just be like, hey, that's not what happened. This is what happened. Antoinette, you were just ruining this eye look, bro. Look at that. Look at that right there. I feel like we're just going to start not completely over. Maybe we could save it. We're kind of saving it. Come on, pumpkin. Do your magic. Work. But if it's not a thing, I'm pretty sure it'd be a cool little part of his backstory of Batman to actually get his name from being afraid of bats. When I found that out, I was like, that is so cool. Taking your fear and making it your power. Like owning power in your fear. I was like, that is so cool. I love that. I love that. And to think we have actual billionaires living their best life and ignoring everyone else's life and going to space. Let me never acquire that much wealth. Never. I would never want to. And be like, oh, you know what sounds like a cool idea, guys? Rich friends, hey, billionaire friends. You know what sounds like a good idea? Going to space. Yeah, we got the money. Why not? Let's just do that instead of ending world hunger. So this eye looks a little bit pinker to me. I'm gonna go back in on this eye and add a little bit more. Because hot damn Miss Ma'am, I am loving this look so far. And we're not even done. And look, there are some Batman haters out there. And that's okay. You can dislike Batman all you want. My husband, severe Batman hater, okay? He is all about the Superman. And Superman is just not my type. He's not my dude. I mean, he's a cool person. But something about a person with too much power doesn't sit right with me. I don't like it. It doesn't sit right with me because this person can stub their toe, have a really bad day, and then just kill everybody. Like, you seen that movie Brightburn or Burn Bright? I can't remember which one it is. That movie Brightburn, where it's basically just Superman gone rogue, right? Like, instead of him being told, you know, hey, guess what? You're really an alien. We're not your real mom and dad. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you what we were doing or what I was doing. I'm going to go in with this Joker palette now, and I'm going to try and take this one. What is this called? I don't like it when they take the names of the colors. They don't even have them on the back. When they take the names of the colors and they put them on the plastic protective thing instead of putting it on the actual here. Like, why would you do that? That doesn't make any sense to me. I found it. It's called Ha Ha Ha. Okay, really random note. I'm gonna insert this TikTok. This is the only thing that comes in my head. Party till I die. That's all I hear now. Anyways, so we're gonna go in with this ha ha ha, and we're gonna try and put that over the black that we had from the Batman palette. I want to see if it's gonna be better with my finger or if I'm just gonna wet the brush. Okay, I'm just gonna use my finger. Because why not? It's like he suddenly finds out who he is, where he's from. I'm gonna kill the world now. What? Suddenly, all of your morals and your values fly out the window because you discover you're an alien. You've lived with these people, these creatures, long enough to know, hey, you know, I know there's a lot of them out here who deserve to go bye-bye, but I don't think all of them deserve to go bye-bye. Just a thought. That's the one thing I didn't like about that movie. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and go back in that palette. I wet my brush and try and use that ha 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 again with a wet brush and see if the pigment's gonna be the same or if it's gonna be different. I can't really tell. Might be a little better. It kind of just gives like a glossy look, which it's not exactly what I was going for. I was kind of going for like I was going for more of a shimmer. That's what I was going for, but that's okay. It's not looking exactly right, so I'm gonna go back in with this Batman one and just try and use the smallest, fluffiest brush I could find, which I think is this one, because we know that black is a devil. We know it's a troublemaker. And I'm just gonna try and fluff some black out a little bit. Like, I don't feel like I'm doing much. I don't feel like I'm doing much, and I'm too scared to try and mess this up. Back in with the Harley Quinn palette. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is more of a struggle than what it needs to be. Kind of try my best to blend it. From a distance, we look at a mess. Look at that. Look at that. Am I really gonna have to do this whole eye over? Ay, yay. I'll be back. I don't know if I fixed it. I don't know if I did, but it looks a hell of a lot better. So another part of this collection that they have is their Batman mascara and their Catwoman eyeliner. So right now I'm going to be using the eyeliner. I don't know how, but I'm going to be using it. I think I'm going to do just a little simple wing. Try to do a simple wing. And then go ahead and do my inner corners too. It's almost like you can't even really see it. So yeah, I feel like you can't even really see it. So I'm just going to do my corners. Just a little wing, nothing too big, nothing too major. Oh, good God, I lost the cap. And then I found it. Next, we're gonna do the mascara. I like this mascara. I feel like it actually grabs. I feel like all mascara should actually grab. I mean, it's just mascara, so there's nothing really to review about it. It's mascara. So now I'm gonna hop and do my face, the foundation, and all of that jazz. And the next time you'll see me, I'll have lashes on. Or the less, anyways, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this black and be careful and go under the lid. Whew, this black is scary. It sticks to everything. Switching back to that Harley Quinn palette, we're gonna go with that bright pink that we put in our crease and put it underneath. Alrighty, I don't know if you can see it, but I promise you it's there. Okay, so there's also this color in this Harley Quinn palette, the one I damaged in the very beginning. And I want to take this color, whatever this is, whatever this one is right here. And I want to try and dab that in the corners. Yeah, that's cute. I feel like that's what this look was kind of missing. Also, the lashes that I'm wearing right now are the Catwoman lashes, which is also a part of the collection. Now I'm going to go in with this Batman highlighter. Alright, I'm gonna throw some lipstick on, do my hair, and get ready to go because my kids got an early day today. Okay, so since my daughter lost it, couldn't find it, we're gonna go, it's still I Love Revolution, or I Heart Revolution. I've really been saying it wrong this whole time. I Heart Revolution lipstick. It's not part of the collection that I showed you guys earlier, but it's close enough. So I'm just gonna have to, we gotta use what we got. Ew. I don't like the way this one smells at all. It smells very chemically. It's like it wants to smell like mint, but it just smells like chemical. Alright, so I have no idea what's going on with this hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I think this makeup look actually came out cute despite all the little ups and downs that we went through. This I Heart Revolution collection I feel is so cute. The colors are obviously very pigmented. Be careful with that Batman black. Be careful with it. And then, of course, in true, I don't know, for lack of a better word, karma fashion, it came up last minute. My daughter finally found it. I didn't realize that the lip that I put on, I noticed that it was tingling. It's still tingling, and it kind of burned a little bit. And I was like, what the hell is going on? I didn't realize that this was a plumper. I don't need plumping. I'm already blessed. But if you like this makeup look, or this product, or this video, or anything about it, it could have been my noisy ass mule in the background. That would have been cool too. Don't be afraid to leave a fatty fat like. Don't forget to comment, share if you want to, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bitches. I don't know why I chose blue. I just think blue is a pretty color. Maybe if I get better glue, it'll stick better. I don't know.